In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom pixel script for customer events in Shopify. This is a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your online store's analytics by tapping into customized tracking, which can give you more control over how you collect and use data about your customers' interactions. First, let's navigate to where this process begins. In your Shopify admin, you're going to click on Settings. From there, look for the option labeled Customer Events. This is where you'll be able to manage and understand the different interactions customers have on your store. Now, it's time to add your pixel. You'll find an option saying Add Custom Pixel. Click on that and you'll be prompted to take several steps to customize your pixel. The first thing you need to do is name your pixel. It's important to choose a unique name to keep everything organized and prevent confusion, especially if you're managing multiple pixels. Once your pixel is named, the next action is straightforward. You'll copy your custom JavaScript pixel code and paste it into the code field provided. This is where your code will reside, powering your custom events with the logic you've determined. Now, there's an optional but highly recommended step. Configure your customer privacy settings. This is a crucial moment to ensure you're respecting your customers' choices regarding permission and data sale. Shopify gives you easy access to these settings so you can comply with legal requirements and maintain the trust of your customers. After you've configured any necessary privacy settings, it's time to save your changes. Simply click Save. With that, you're almost done. If you're ready to start collecting data, go ahead and click Connect Pixel. This step activates the pixel so that it starts tracking the events on your site. There are a few important considerations to keep in mind while adding custom pixels. If you try to add a pixel with the same name as one that already exists, Shopify will ask you to use a different name. This keeps your data organized and avoids potential errors. Additionally, Shopify does include built-in tracking for standard customer events, such as view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase when a pixel is installed. So, rest assured, some of the crucial data points are automatically covered. If you happen to be using partner integrations like Profit Metrics, remember that they might have specific steps for seamless integration. Always check their provided instructions to ensure everything works smoothly. Keep in mind that pixels are scripts. According to Shopify's documentation, having too many of them can impact your site's speed, so be sure to use them judiciously. For those using a Facebook pixel or interested in setting up pixel events with Facebook's Event Setup tool, detailed instructions can be found on Facebook's business help pages. Leveraging their tools can enhance your event tracking capabilities significantly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively install a custom pixel script for customer events in Shopify, adding a powerful layer of customization and insight to your online store analytics. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional Shopify tips.